Hi guys, welcome to another video of my channel. In the last video we discussed about what Docker is, what are the things that Docker hosts and how Docker works. Okay, these things we covered in the last video. If you haven't watched that, I will give the link of that video in my description. Go and check that out. Today we will be installing Docker and trying to run those commands, okay? Which we discussed in the last video. We will be running those commands today. Okay, so let's get started. So first we will come to Google and type Docker, and this is Docker desktop is the second link which is there. We will click on this one and it is showing us this operating system we are running. Okay, if you want it for Linux or Apple, you can get it from here. We are using Windows. You will click on Windows logo and it will start downloading. Okay, let's wait till it gets downloaded. Okay guys, it has been downloaded. Let's run the setup. Okay. It is taking a while. Yes. Shortcut to desktop. Yes. Okay. Okay, so this using Docker desktop, we will be able to create an image for our project and create a container, and we can run that container itself. So we can try almost everything in a local that executes when we deploy our project. So everything we will be able to do in our local. So that is a benefit of Docker desktop. So in my project, when I had one issue where I was given a Docker desktop work, so in that I was facing this issue when we were deploying the image in the server. So we were getting some issue there. So I had to debug that and fix that. So in that case, I had to install Docker desktop, and using this, I was able to create the same Docker image and run that and find out where the issue was. So we will be creating an image using this Docker desktop, and we will be running that as well. Okay guys, so Docker desktop has been installed now, and I will close and restart my system, and we'll get back. Hi. Okay guys, so Docker desktop is now installed. I will close and restart my system and we'll get back. Okay guys, so I have restarted my desktop, and this is the pop-up I'm getting after restarting, and this is showing the user agreement. Okay, accept. Okay, I think we need to update our kernel. Okay, so let's do that first. If you're using ARM64 machine system. Okay guys, so we were facing an issue with WSL kernel version. So this Docker Hub basically runs on Linux or Ubuntu box, and that is not compatible with Windows. So we have to install this WSL and make it enabled through it using PowerShell, and only after that we will be able to run Docker desktop. So for this we will follow this particular link, and once you open that, it is having some steps in it. So first step is saying that we have to execute this particular command to enable that feature. Okay, we are copying this, and then we will go to search and type PowerShell and run as administrator. Okay, and we'll paste this command. Okay, so it is enabling a service, so let it get it completed. Okay, it is completed. After that we have to point it to the latest WSL version, which is this command. So we have to execute this one also. We will come here and execute this. Okay, so this is done. After that, guys, you need to restart your PC. I've already did that, so I will directly move to Docker desktop